Good morning, everyone. This is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yarn, and this is Get Ready With Me. For me, this is real raw, okay? As I said on my video yesterday, those who watched my delivered cooking, I took my braids down. And I told you guys I had purchased a wig. So right now I got my face already moisturized as much as I can. Let's get this stuff going. So this is not how to do anything, okay? This is just what I do. And you know what? Some of the things that I like about, before I start that, welcome any older subscribers, new subscribers, passive buyers. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. So I already plucked the hairs off my face because when you get a certain age like mine, and I'm getting to a very age that is, I'm past 50, let's put it back that. Okay, so it's not that one, but I'm getting to another age. So what I do is I put my eyebrows on first. And I have this brush here from MAC. And I like it. I need another one. So I put my eyebrows on. I'm using the powder because the other one normally comes too thick for me. So what I do is I start right here. Now I'm not a professional, and I'm pretty sure professionals would say no, 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 no. But when I start here, I seem to be able to meet the point. I don't know how much. Some of it I have to wipe off if it's too thick. Like right there. I think because I'm doing it on here. And I've never done this on, I don't think I have. I've done a lot of things. So that is, might be a little bit too long. Okay, that's a little bit thicker than I would like. I'm on my way to work, so I guess I would call this Get Ready With Me. And so that's how I do that eyebrow. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I keep my head tilted down. This is something, I've had my eyebrows since I was 15 years old. So I used to wear them thinner, but now since the style is a little bit more thick, I wear them a little bit thicker, but not as thick as some of the ladies, and it is beautiful what they wear. Okay. And might be a little few scragglies there. Sometimes it's just so hard to get them even, and I don't have a lot of time. Actually, I don't, but this is very quick. So I see a couple of, see, this one looks a little bit thinner, not as dark. I'll put just a little bit in here. And I have a little water with it on the brush. Okay, what do you guys think? I try to see if they're at the same point. Okay. There we go. Okay, for work, that is good as it's gonna get. This one is more curved. That is good as it's gonna get. Then I take my little scissors here, and if there's anything I see, I try to trim it. And it's really good because I know where my eyebrows are now. I don't use a black powder. I use a brown powder. I did buy a black. I'm just trying to clean up what haven't been plucked or what's gone back from the last time I plucked my eyebrows. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to take little bit of that powder and just dab it around here. Okay, I don't wear a lot. And at this point, I have some Too Faced, which is a really old one. My favorite ones, normally in the browns. And I'll take a light color, like maybe this one here, and a little bit of this one here. A lot of stuff. Actually, I think I learned a lot of the makeup from Bella J. She doesn't make too many videos, but I do see her on TikTok. I like TikTok, you guys. I'm surprised. There are things I thought I would never like. Oh, this is garbage. And as you get older, you know, you have to be more flexible. Then I'll take that very same one, and I'll take this light one here, and this dark one here, and mix it in my favorite, which is mocha, which I don't have any mocha. So I'm trying to get my own mocha. And I'll put that on. I don't have any primer. Since the mask, we've been wearing the mask. I just have not been doing a lot of things, but I do need some primer. This one is a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can tell. Put a little bit of light on it. And I could put some dark in the creases, but I'm not. This is work. This is just work. And that is the end of my makeup. A little bit of mascara. It's too thick. It's making the clunk. I don't like that. I might even start wearing more brown instead of this real heavy black. Because I don't have enough powder on under here. I can tell. But it's too late. Then I'll take, so this is one I bought Anastasia, which I don't like. It's too dark. So now I just use this brush to try to get some of the clumps off the eyelashes. Next, good old Vaseline. Well, it's going to be covered up. Next, I meant to grab this. That's only a few minutes. That's normally what I do. And I'll put some water on my hair. Just a little bit. This is not regular water, but you know, I guess you would call it distilled water maybe. So it doesn't have all the stuff from the sink, because the water over here is hard. I'll take a little bit of this. I'm running out everything. This is really good. This is it doesn't make my, it's really good. It works good for my hair. And I am going to take this one here. I have to use different ones depending on the weather, like the season more or less. Now in the winter season, this one doesn't work well on me. So I got leave-on conditioner. Yeah, make sure I got the right one because I have another one. And then I put a little bit of this. It's light olive oil because I can always have my hair wrapped up. And this is the first time I am wearing a wig in a very long time. So let's just get this done. And this wig, matter of fact, where are you, wiggy, wiggy, wiggy? Don't go flying away. So this wig I bought. This is the wig I bought as soon as I find it. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. Got my wig. I had to get off the box so it wouldn't be so, now, I bought this, and, Oregon oil never really works for me, but so far it hasn't made, this, gel hasn't made it itchy, because that's normally what it does. Just put a little bit right there. It's a gel, but it has the oil in it, so I assume that it's not as rough as a long time ago. You used to see those ladies with their hair all slick. So I was saying with YouTube, so here's my wig. Now, this one is not the best one. I was going to get the one with the human hair, but I figured, let me see how comfortable I feel wearing it. And then I'll go back and get it. So this one here has a little strap in it. Okay. I haven't worn a wig since 19... And you know what? The person that, I think I said the person that inspired me to try a wig again was Miss Love. She had a channel. She has a channel, but she's not up. I think she's pretty busy. She got a lot going on in her life. And so, oh, this thing is stuck to my hair, Lord. I tell you, when I go live, things happen. Look at that. I can't get it out my hair. I gotta look and see. Oh God, this is messing up my time. This is supposed to be easy and quick. Sheesh. I don't know if this will break my hair just to get this thing off. Oh, good God Almighty. This is supposed to be quick. That's the whole point of wigs. It's not supposed to get tangled in your hair. Oh, that is really, Lord. See, I don't know how to do this, y'all. When I was wearing wigs, they didn't have, you had to use bobby pins. They didn't have this, sheesh. Gosh. Okay, so maybe I'm supposed to just snap it up so it don't get caught like that again. Okay, I got it snapped up. Good grief. Because I definitely don't have any bobby pins. Oh, it's so tight, I can't get it on. Okay, people. Put my braids in. Oh, that's so tight there. So instead of my headband, I know that looks a little crazy. Instead of my headband, my head wrap, because it's warm today, I think this is much lighter. Just don't fall off. So my braid is back there. So I'm going to look in the mirror. And this, okay, pull my ear out. Oh my goodness, there's my braid sticking out. Pull my ear out. Okay, so this is the first, sheesh. Okay, you guys know this is my first time doing this, so I'm doing it with you. And I do appreciate the women who share these little tips, because women should share. People should share. That's what I like about YouTube. Is that even though they make, they're making money, good. We should make money. That's your goal. Okay. This is a little in my face, so I'm gonna see that's I don't know. I need to see that hair. I don't have all day to do this. This one has a little bit of red in it. just a little bit of red or brown. So I could completely cover up that, but I want it behind my ears. That feels more comfortable. But I don't know how to get that to look like that and how to cover the gray like that. I gotta watch some more videos. There gotta be some way. How's that, you guys? Oh, you can see it. I don't know how y'all do that, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with the flow, and the gray is sticking out, so I'm gonna have a little bit of something. It look like it needs to be cut or something. What you got? Oh, I'm going with it. I don't have time to change my mind now. I'll have to go with the flow. Wish I had some kind of spray. Hopefully it don't fall off, and if it do, I got hair, so I prefer it to be like that. Which one looks the best? Ooh. I don't know how to hide that gray. Maybe I need to pull it up more. Okay, you guys, I haven't eaten breakfast, so maybe what I should have did was take some of my hair that was not gray and pull it around there, but I don't have time. So this is my look, and I think it's a lot cooler than the scarf because it has the holes in it. It's very light. Yep. Don't know how to do that. I should have pulled some of my hair back there out. I don't have any hairspray. I'll just take my brush with me. Oh boy. I can feel it in my face. I see one hanging. I think that's okay. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think. I think it needs to be cut just a little bit. Whatever. This is it. I think it needs to stay like that. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I do know. Oh, that is in my. Those little things are going to drive me crazy. Let's see if I can cut them off. Oh, Lord. Okay, I gotta go. I'm running late. I don't even think I have time for breakfast. This was supposed to be quick. It's not as quick as throwing a scarf on. Anyway. Oh, Lord. Y'all have to forgive. Oh, I don't have any scissors in here. Okay, you guys. That is it. You think it's too low? No, it's not low enough. But these straggly ones, it's in my face. Need to be cut off. They need to go somewhere. Anyway, that's it. It is what it is.